Everyone. Today we are going to discuss the sorting algorithm that is merge sort. So the merge sort is one of the most popular sorting algorithms that based on the principle of divide and conquer. Here a problem here we a problem here we a problem divided into a multiple subproblems, each problem solved individually. Finally, subproblems are combined to form the final solution. So, let's take an example. Here we divide this sublist or this array into two parts, that is left hand and right hand. After we divide this point at a mid and conquer each side in turns. That means we recursively divide the each side until we get the single point. After the we getting the single point, single unit, then we going to merge this into together. That's two half into together. So let's take this example. So here we have the method named sort. So here we pass the arguments, this whole array, then the left hand, that is lower bound, that is 0, and the right, that is 7, left and right. So first steps we check the condition. So our breaking condition is left hand must be smaller than the right hand. That means lower bound should be less than upper bound. So here we, that means in our array at least two elements are have to present to be sort. Then we calculate the mid. We calculate mid, the lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. We get the mid. So here we get 0 plus 7, that is 3 point something. So we get integer value, that is 3. So we divide from 0 to 3 and from 4 to 7 for right hand side and 0 to 3 for right hand side. So here we have 8, 2, 9 and 4. Then at right hand side we have 5, 3, 1 and 6. After dividing this, again we calling the method. So this is for right hand side of this array, and again for the left hand side. And when we call again the function, then also it calls for right hand side and also left hand side also. So here we have 8, 2, then we divide it into 9 and 4. Here we also calculate the also here we calculate the mid. Here mid is a 5. So 4, 5 and 3 in one side and 1 and 6. Sorry, 1 and 6 in another side. Then again we divide this array, because at least two elements are have to present to be divided, and suppose one element are present, then we did not divide. So here we get 8 and 2 and 9 and 4, 5, 3, 1 and 6. Here we are, here we get a single units are divided. So this whole array are divided into a single units. So after dividing, the merge method. So merge method is a backbone of this merge sort algorithm. So let us discuss the how merging was happened. So let's take this algorithm. For this algorithm, here we pass the parameters, this array, then lower bound, upper bound, and the midpoint. So here we copying. Here we create the two new array, that is left hand array and right hand array. So the for the array of the list, we dividing into the left hand and right hand. After that, right hand, we are going to combine the further results into the that left hand and right hand. After finally we combine the both arrays. So here we combine, we compare this with this. So here the call goes to the this. Here is single element. So we now call goes to the merge function. So then again here we get 8. Sorry, here we get 2 and 8 after the merging. After that, then call get to the this second index. Here is one single element. Here also single element. Then so sorting merging was performed. So merging like this 4 and 9. After that, call is goes to the. After that, call is go here. Then we get 3, 5, and 1 and 6. Then we merge these two lists. We get 2, 4, 8, and 9. And here we get, or here is 1. Here we get 1, 3, 5, and 6. So here we checking the left hand side array with the right hand side array. So first condition is we have elements. That means present elements in left hand side, also in right hand side. Then we going to check. So first we check the here we consider as a I, and here we consider as a J, and here we consider as a K. So initially both I, J, and K at 0th position. So we compare 0th position of this with this. So 2 is greater than 1. So lesser element is a placed in the kth array, kth location. So here first one, 1 is a present in the 1 is a placed into 0th location of the k. Then we increment the k. Also we increment the j. After that we increment. We now check the left hand side with right hand side. Here 2 compare with the 3. So 2 is lesser. So here we place the 2. Then I plus plus and k plus plus. After that we compare 4, that is left hand side with right hand side. So 4 with 3. So 3 is less. So 3 is placed here. Then j plus plus. So j is going here. Also k plus plus. So k is going here. After that we checking I. So I is less than jth element. So left hand side element is a placed. So it is a 4, and then we mix I plus plus. After that k plus plus. Again we check the ith element of the left hand side and jth element of the right hand side. So here we get 8 and 5. So 5 is less. So 5 is placed. Then k plus plus. Then 6 is less than ith element of the left hand side. So 6 is placed. And k plus plus. Now also j plus plus. Now the element of the right hand side are sublist are over. So this condition was false. So again we go for the else part. So here we do, suppose the left hand side, the elements of the right hand side element are overed, that means, and left hand side remaining, then we going to place the elements of the left hand side as it is remaining elements. So we increment the I here. So we increment the I and place 8 here. Also we k plus plus. Also we increment the j, sorry, I here. Then we 9 place. We place the 9 here. So at the end we got the sorted array. So let's implement this. So I have implemented this array. So this is our main class. These are class methods. So here is our sorting method. Then our main method, our backbone method is a merging method. Then start with our main method. So here we're going to the run. Here we compile the code. Then run the code. Our input value is, so we have 8 elements. So our input value is 8, 2, 9, 4, 5, 3, 1, and 6. So after sorting, we get array in sorted way. Here we see the array is in sorted way. So like this, we solve the example using divide and conquer strategy. We divides until we get single elements. After getting the single element, we going to merge with another. So here first breaks into left hand side. After for merging these two, the call goes to here. After these two are going to be merged. Similarly here, after going to these two merge, call goes to here, and these two are the merged. After then these two going to be merged. The comparison like this: ith element of the left hand side with the jth element of the right hand side. So 2 is less, so 2 is placed here. Then I plus plus, so I goes here. Then I checked with this element. This element is small, so this placed here. Then this checked with this small, so this here, and this this placed at the end. So that's like merging was happened. So this algorithm we discussed. So here we calculate mid by index of 0th index plus last index first time. There is this method is used to break our conditions, that is dividing method. After that, this is merge method. So merge method is here. Here we left hand side and right hand side. Here we copying the elements of the array into left hand side and right hand side, and then we going to the merge the element into the array. So what are the features of this merge sort? So merge sort is an efficient general purpose and comparison based sorting algorithm. Most implementation produce a stable sort, which means that the order of equal elements is the same in the input and output. Here merge sort technique based on divide and conquer that we already known. So worst case complexity is begin 0 big O of n log n. It is one of the most respected algorithm. Merge sort first divides array into equal halves and then combines into the in a sorted manner. Thank you.